Hi there. Today we're going to be working with your dot print. So last time we colored this coffee filter and made a dot. This dot is going to be hung up, so make sure your name is on it. Now this print is going to be what becomes our sketchbook cover. So we're going to fold it hamburger style, and you're going to decide which side you like the best. So you decide which side you like the best. Make sure that the dot for you is going to be on your left side, the closed part, and the open part on your right side. Once you figure out which side that you want, we're going to write our name on it. So with marker, you can write inside the dot or outside the dot. It depends on what you want to do. I'm just going to write mine inside the dot in kind of the white space right here. But you're going to write your name on the inside, or inside the dot or outside the dot with marker. Make sure those markers click back on. All right, so we're going to decorate the rest of this space inspired by Seurat. So remember, he's the guy that was a pointillist, and what he did is little tiny dots of color that filled in these bigger shapes to create an image. So on the white part and also on these parts, you can create shapes, but then I want you to, instead of coloring them, put lots and lots of dots. So for example, let's say I wanted to do a star. I would choose a color for the outside of the star. So maybe I'd do like, actually let's do a circle first. So if I do a circle, instead of coloring inside my circle, I'm going to do lots and lots of dots. And I don't want to push down too hard because I don't want to ruin the tip of the marker. But I can either do dots like this, where I do tapping, or I can draw like little circles to make my dots. So you can decide what kind of size dots you want to do, but you can draw shapes or just do lots and lots of dots, kind of like this. But make sure that we're not really coloring in, we're using dots to make colors. So if you don't want to make a shape and you just kind of want to do lots and lots of dots, you can mix the colors by just doing, let's say I'm going to start here. And then in between, I want a combo area of purple and this kind of maroon color. And then I'm going to continue making dots across. So it's kind of like blended. And like I said, you could also do big dots too if that is what you want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and make some more dots, and then you guys can do that too. When I call your table up though, you're going to bring me this and your circle. You're going to leave this big dot with me, and I'm going to put paper in here and staple so that way this becomes your sketchbook. You can still color before and after I do the stapling with the paper.